Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Aditi, did you get the final list of those students who have submitted their assignments?
So it is 16 people who have submitted till now.
Okay, 16 students. So those they have submitted facts, right?
Oh yes, the writ petition.
Okay. Okay, note down the name of those students. Uh, I'm just going to mention some of the name. I received a petition from Satakshi. Note down the name
Okay, sir.
Samiksha, and then Ashyuthan S. Vanika, Khushi Sharma, Pranav Rai, Suhana, Navya, Aditi Agarwal, Nishtha, Samvriti, Nandana, Jatin, Jazz William, Shubhi Mehra, Mansi Majumdar, Radhika, Navya Anuj, Manaswini Anup, Shreyans Kumar, Merisa Bijoy, Manya Narendran, Arjun, Janaki, Ayush Taneja. So I don't know whether they have contained facts or not. I will be going through each documents now. Anya Chaudhary just now received. So I guess let me ask one by one. All of you are there. So I'll start by name. They have to mention whether they have completed their PIL or not, or submitted or not, because I have received a few submitted documents. And as you said, there are 16 students only who have submitted. So let me ask one by one. Yes, Anya Chaudhary.
Yes, sir.
Is your PIL draft completed,
Yes, sir.
including facts?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Aryan,
Yes, sir.
facts completed?
Yes, sir. I'm done with the assignment. I'll submit it in an hour.
Okay. So I will be asking one by one whether facts completed, then say yes, else no, and then specify reason too. Astha,
sir.
Ayush Taneja. Am I audible, Ayush? Ashyuthan S. Did you submit PIL draft including facts? Ashyuthan, am I audible to you? Aishwarya M. Mehra.
Yes, sir. It's almost done. I'll submit in an hour or so.
Hmm. Aryan Kapoor. Aryana Kapoor. Arjun.
Sir, it's done. I'll submit it in a while.
Aditi, note down the name of those students who are not replying. Okay. And also
Okay.
those who haven't submitted. If they say no, then note down their name too. Chandril,
Yes, sir.
submitted.
Sir, I've submitted the other things, but I haven't done the PIL yet.
Why?
I'm doing it right now.
What's the deadline?
Uh, yes, sir. I'm sorry. I'm doing it.
So when are you going to submit?
By tonight. Wait, sir, the PIL I've done. I meant the rate. I'm sorry. I've submitted the PIL.
Okay. Containing facts.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've finished the whole thing. I mailed it to you on the last day.
Okay. Dimisha,
Yes, sir.
done, submitted.
Sir, I have drafted my PIL. I will submit it in a while.
Janki, yes,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, tell me.
Is this for PIL, like the synopsis, or writ petition?
Both everything is same. If we are talking about PIL or we talk about the writ petition, right?
Okay, okay.
All things are same. Manya, yes,
Good evening, sir. This is the assignment related to the Citizenship Act only, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Ashyuthan submitted. Okay. Jatin Sharma
Yes, sir.
submitted.
Oh, yes, sir. I've submitted.
Jazz Williams,
Yes, sir. Submitted.
Kashish Goel.
No, sir, not yet submitted.
When will you submit?
Sir, but tonight.
Khushi Sharma,
Yes, sir, I have submitted the assignment or PIL.
Khayati Gupta.
Yes, sir. Sir, I haven't submitted. I'll submit it today by 9.
Okay. Manaswini,
Yes, sir. I will be submitting it today.
Mansi,
Yes, sir. Submitted.
Manya.
So I've
Yes,
completed
sir.
be submitting it tonight.
Hmm.
Sir, which Manya?
I have heard from you. You have submitted, right?
Yeah, I've submitted, but I have only case context. Is that enough for facts? Like whatever happened from 2000, like before 2015 and stuff.
I mean, uh, what is the exact date when you started everything, including any date?
1950.
1950. So only case laws are there? Yes, tell me. Well, I will going through your document. No issue.
Okay, okay.
Mhm. Mungara Krishiv.
Yes, sir. I'm done with it, sir. I just had a doubt. Do we have to include the synopsis and the list of events at the start?
Yes, everything in a single PDF document.
Okay, sir. I'll just attach it and I'll submit it right now.
Okay. Nakshatra.
Sir, I'll submit it within tonight, sir.
Okay. Nandhana BG.
Yes, sir, I've submitted it.
Hmm. Navya.
Good evening, sir. I will by tonight.
Is there two Navya?
Yes, sir. I have almost completed it. I'll submit it by tonight.
Okay. Prachi.
Sir, I'll submit it by tonight.
Raghav. Is there Raghav DS Priyadarshan?
Sir, I submitted, sir.
Radhika.
Sir, I'll submit it by tonight.
Rushali.
Yes, sir. I just had a doubt on whether to include the synopsis. So apart from that, I've done. So I'll submit it after the class.
Mhm. Samiksha.
Yes, sir, I've submitted it, but I didn't know we had to add the synopsis, so I'll send you the new document.
So which Venika has submitted last night? Please mention surname too. We have two Venika. Uh, Samiksha done, right? What will be doing?
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir, I have submitted it.
Okay. Sanika Agarwal.
Yes, I'm almost done. I'll submit it by tonight.
Satakshi Mishra.
Yes, sir. I've submitted it. But sir, I did not add the synopsis with my writ petition document, which I submitted earlier today.
Okay.
So, sir, should I submit it again by attaching it?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Shubhi.
Yes, sir. I'll submit it by tonight.
Soumya Agarwal.
Will submit it by tonight.
Srishti.
Yes, sir, I'm almost done. I'll submit it after class.
Suhana.
Yes, sir, I've submitted it already.
Tarun. Will submit. Okay. Ujjwal.
Sir, I will submit it by tonight.
Okay. Venika. Again. Or okay. Yachi.
Sir, submitted.
Hmm. Okay. So I do one thing. We have missed prayers.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I'm Akshat. I joined late. I just have to add the synopsis and then I'll submit it by tonight.
Okay, Akshat. Any other student left? Okay, so last time I had discussed regarding facts leading to the present case along with grounds. So I have also tried to convey how you can write grounds, and also after facts, grounds, I was about to talk regarding prayers. So why not include prayers too? And before that, once you complete your grounds, you have to include one more heading called Declaration in Compliance with Supreme Court Rules. Note down, after you add grounds, then you have to add new heading called Declarations in Compliance with Supreme Court Rules. And there you can mention that that the petitioner has no personal or private interest in the matter. Nishtha Kohli, why are you so late?
Sir, actually, I was traveling and there was no connection on on the highway.
Hmm. Your DP predicts you are traveling.
No, sir, no.
Okay. Okay, so submitted all documents.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, I had discussed facts along with the grounds. Aditya. Aditya, have you submitted your PIL? No reply. So in the last class, I was discussing uh, facts and then grounds, and then now add one more heading: declarations in compliance with Supreme Court rules, and then you can write paragraph about the petitioner, like the petitioner has no personal or private interest in the matter and has no civil, criminal, or revenue proceedings against pending against him or that would have a connection with these proceedings. The petitioner is an inspiring professor by profession and is involved in socially relevant causes as well. So you have to include under declarations in compliance with Supreme Court rules. Yes, Manya,
Could you please repeat the last part, the last two sentences?
of course.
Thank you.
Again, the paragraph is the petitioner has no personal or private interest in the matter and has no civil, criminal, or revenue proceedings pending against him or that would have a connection with these proceedings. The petitioner is an inspiring professor or profession, whatever it is. You can mention whatever your petitioner is. Like I have mentioned, the petitioner is an inspiring professor or social worker or doctor by profession or lawyer by profession, anything, and is involved in socially relevant causes as well. Then the the PAN number of the petitioner is XXX, something like that you can mention. And UID means that is Aadhaar number is to be included. So you can also mention ABCD. The petitioner's annual income in the last, so you have to mention annual income as well. So anything you can mention. The petitioner's annual income in the last year is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The petitioner's email address is abcd@gmail.com. The address of the petitioner is as stated in the cause title. So initially, when we write petitioner versus state or petitioner versus anything, so once the petitioner name is mentioned below, we have to mention their address too, like ABC, son of so and so, R RO means resident of. So proper address we have to include. So that's what we have to say here, that the address of the petitioner is as stated in the cause title. And then next point you have to mention, next paragraph is that the petitioner has not filed any other petition before any high court or any other court for seeking the same relief. And then you have to mention, you have to tell the court about the cause of action. So the cause of action defines the jurisdiction of the matter. Once you file any matter at any court, we have to justify the cause of action, and then we have to inform, because of the cause of action in particular area, the jurisdiction arises for this court. So here we have to summarize that the cause of action arise that the cause of action arose when the CAA was notified by the respondents on 12 December 2019. The petitioner is alleging violation of Preamble, Article 13, 14, 19, 21 of the Constitution of India and the Basic Structure Doctrine, which are enshrined as fundamental right or have been read so as by this honorable court. The public injury caused because of impugned order is manifold, and it affects integrity of India and attempts to divide India on the basis of religion. So again, in the paragraph of cause of action, you have to write, so I'm repeating this paragraph again, that the cause of action arose when the CAA was notified by the respondents on 12 December 2019. The petitioner is alleging violation of Preamble, Article 13, 14, 19 and 21 of the Constitution of India and the Basic Structure Doctrine, which are enshrined as fundamental right or have been read so as by this honorable court. The public injury caused because of the impugned order is manifold, and it affects integrity of India and attempts to divide India on the basis of religion. So the next paragraph is that the CAA is illegal and against the Constitution, and if allowed to proceed it prejudicially affects the general public, and as it allows religion based identification of citizens and residents of India. I am repeating again that the CAA is illegal and against the Constitution, and if allowed to proceed it prejudicially affects the general public, as it allows religion-based identification of citizens and residents of India. Further, it provides an express entry it provides an express entry door to India for residents of another countries, largely on the basis of their religion. The CAA can affect the integrity and political stability of India, which itself is a serious injury to the public at large. So I'm repeating again whole paragraph that the CAA is illegal and against the constitution, and it allowed to proceed. It prejudicially affects the general public as it allows religion-based identification of citizens and residents of India. Further, it provides an express entry door to India for residents of other countries, largely on the basis of their religion. The CAA can affect the integrity and political stability of India, which itself is a serious injury to the public at large. So that's how you sum up your all facts and grounds. Now let's come to the prayer. Add one heading in the middle, prayer in capital word, and then write for the facts and reasons are stated. This honorable court may graciously be pleased to. So after this line, you have to start with alphabetic ABCD like this, and the first prayer would be, what do you want by this petition? So you have to include in the prayer. So what do you want? So whatever we want, we have to say like, declare that the Citizenship Amendment Act 2015 number 47 or 2019 is unconstitutional and void ab initio. So again, okay, those who are not feeling well, they may leave. Who is that? Soumya Agarwal. You may leave the meeting. Okay, again in the prayer, you have to start with, for the facts and reasons of as stated, this honorable court may graciously be pleased to declare that the Citizenship Amendment Act 2015 number 47 or 2019 is unconstitutional and void ab initio. Another prayer is, declare that Section 14A of Citizenship Act 1955 is ultra vires, the Constitution, unconstitutional, and void of initio. I repeat, declare that Section 14A of Citizenship Act, 1955 is ultra vires, the Constitution, unconstitutional, and void of initio. Next prayer is, issue a writ, order, or direction in the nature of certiorari quashing these notifications. So earlier uh, I have mentioned those notification in order. Its number is GSR 685 in bracket E, dated 8 9 2015. Again GSR 686. So these are the notifications. I guess you have got to know while preparing facts or preparing even synopsis. I had shared those notifications by name, so you can include those notifications from these hours, 5 to 6 notifications from 2015 to 2018. number wise these notifications were issued by the ministry. So you in the prayer you have to include these notifications and ask the court to issue uh, certiorari in the nature of certiorari, issue a direction and quash this notification. So these are the prayer. Also include one more: issue a writ in the nature of prohibition, prohibiting the respondents from proceeding with preparation of Pan India and any they uh, on the basis of CAA. The National Register of Citizenship was to be conducted. So if you think that this NRC is one of the factor and it could be misused, so you can also ask in the prayer that issue a writ in the nature of prohibition and prohibit the respondents from proceedings with the preparation of Pan India National Register of Citizens. So these are the prayers. By quoting facts, by quoting ground, you are asking court to declare all these things as ultra-virus, unconstitutional, and also issue certiorari writ to quash these notification and also prohibit the respondents from proceeding these matters by issuing a writ in the nature of prohibition. And then last line would be such other orders may be necessary. Again, you can write such other orders may also be passed if necessary. So that's how you can end up by mentioning this last line. And then by giving two more extra line, you can add uh, in capital word and also make this sentence bold and write, and for this act of kindness the petitioner shall ever remain duty bound and pray. Again, in bold you can write, and for this act of kindness the petitioner shall ever remain duty bound and pray. And then by giving two extra space you can mention on the right side filed by whoever the advocate is or whoever the petitioner is. You can mention their name. Filed by ABCD, advocate for the petitioner. And on the left side you can mention date, the current date. And that's how this petition is completed. Any question? Please ask. Yes, please. Any of you have any question?
So, do we need to include this in the petition that we're submitting now?
So that's what I was saying. Those who are not able to submit yet, they can include all these things and make their final submission by tomorrow. And right now, those who have submitted, I'll go through their documents and verify it. In case the criteria is not fulfilled, then they need to submit all those documents till tomorrow, including everything from synopsis, list of dates, original writ petition, including facts, grounds, prayer. Clear?
Okay, sir. So by tomorrow.
Yeah. So right now, I'm going to check documents, those who have submitted till now. And also, I'm going to share my screen. And Aditi, have you note down all those things as I have told you?
Yes, sir. But sir, there are two names which are overlapping.
What issue with those names?
So, in the first place, you told me the names of the students who have submitted.
Mm-hmm.
So, in that list, there are two names. Manaswini and Navya.
Hmm.
But when you ask the people who have not submitted, they also said that they have not submitted. So I'm a little bit confused if they had submitted or not.
You can ask
Okay.
any of your any issue, they can ask directly. And right now I'm going to share the document. Uh, my email is visible. Satakshi Mishra is there. Is there Satakshi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so your original writ petition is not contained synopsis, list of dates, while it is
So,
required.
so the synopsis I have attached after this document.
No, that's wrong. Include initially.
Okay,
Okay,
sir, I will do that again.
yeah. So first document should be a synopsis, then list of date, then original petition. So this is your original petition. Let me check the uh, structure, and you did not include under this most respectfully heading. No such content is there. While I have asked everyone to include under most respectfully Shivid, the it should at least some of the line from the synopsis should be included, like the petitioner is a public interest litigant and is filing this present writ petition against the respondent seeking relief of declaration that the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 is ultra vires the Constitution. The article CAA is a violative of Article 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 14, 19, 13, 21, 25 of the Constitution of India. That the petitioner is also challenging the validity of Section 14A of Citizenship Act 1955, Section 18, Clause 3 of Citizenship Act 1955, and then all 5-6 notifications, and also that the officer with the forced nationwide CA exercise is bound to anything you can include as per your understanding. You have to convey the judge that why this writ petition is being filed. And also you can add that the petitioner has not moved any representation concerning the relief sought in this petition for the reason that the relief of declaration statute as illegal cannot be granted by any authority in India except the constitutional courts established by law. So these should be included. And then I had asked everyone to include credentials of the petitioner in separate heading in capital word, in bold, right? Credentials of the petitioner, and below that include the petitioner is a public interest litigant. The petitioner is a whoever is petitioner is a uh, in anything like president of any organization, that the petitioner is apprehensive that CA process will exclude millions of poor, vulnerable people from Indian citizenship, particularly the post partition refugees, minorities, and undocumented migrants, rendering them stateless. The petitioner is involved in various public social works and is the president of youth organization or any other which undertakes socially relevant and welfare activities in India. So these paragraphs should be added in credentials of the petitioner. And then you had to include facts leading to the present petition, this heading, facts leading to this present petition, in capital in bold. And then you discuss since 1950 to till now. So discuss everything, discuss the Constituent Assembly, discuss the formation of citizenship articles. So everything you have to add. And then after facts include grounds. So let me see this. In the facts of the case, facts of the case, that is the first heading. I did not ask anyone to add question of law. And why this facts is only one page. So I don't think you did follow, you followed any of the guidelines as I instructed everyone. Even ground is out of context. Government, I did not ask anyone. Prayer, you have already included while I did not ask. So, and synopsis is the last part. Synopsis is too big to fit in because your facts is too short. So generally summary is prepared out of the 1000 pages, 500 pages, 100 pages, 50 pages, 10 pages. Here it is opposite. So Satakshi, I ask you to re-prepare because your petition is fully rejected because you did not follow even after following 30 days. I guess the first class I hold, and then uh, you remember in the first class I asked everyone to go through the video in case you did not get any of this point. From very first day to till now, I had conducted multiple classes and uploaded on YouTube too. And also in the group, I have shared every instructions through student leader. Yes, Satakshi, tell me what's the issue.
Sorry, sir, I will submit it again. I'll redo the entire assignment.
Yes, please go through the video. I have explained everything. So nothing is as per the instruction.
Sorry, sir.
Next, Shubhi. Is there Shubhi? Shubhi Mehra?
Yes, sir.
After synopsis, where is list of dates?
Sir, I will add it now.
Did you prepare list of dates or not?
Sir, I had added that in facts.
But you had to prepare separately list of dates. And also, when I had class, I told everyone a separate class was conducted where list of date was taught. Even very first day, the list of date was taught. Aditi, is that right?
Yes, sir.
So there is no list of dates. And the structure is very rough. No heading is bold. Where is credentials of the petitioner?
So it is above, below the most respectfully share with art.
Samiksha, what?
Yes, sir, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure we did not have a class for list of dates. We did discuss synopsis, but we did not discuss list of dates.
Aditi, tell me,
Yes, sir.
was there any class for list of date?
So you just told like in brief that what amendments did came in what years.
And also, I told everyone to how to add list of dates in table form. Tell me if you remember.
What's no?
No, sir, you didn't.
I guess the first class I took there, I told everyone since 1952 till 2019, and those were as per the dates. And then asked everyone, these are the list of dates, and you have to include it in table form. So I remember that. That's why I have asked. In case it is not, please go through the video. I have asked everything at that time how you have to do that. No such credential is there. After this heading, as you had mentioned facts, you had to add some of the line like this.
So it is there.
Okay, these are the please make it bold and in capital, like a heading,
Okay, sir.
and same with this heading. Grounds. Okay, go with the structure and correct it.
Okay,
So
sir.
also synopsis should be in bold, in capital, in the center. First, second is include list of dates.
Yes, sir.
Third, the page is split in two parts, so uh, make it in a single page. And also uh, make it bold, name of the petitioner, and this petitioner title should be on the right side. Also make this as bold, also make this right side, make this heading bold, also make it bold, this should also be bold, and then credentials of the petitioner should be bold, and this should also be bold, and then include declaration, as I I have told Rajat right now. Declaration in compliance of Supreme Court rules here, and then add prayer. Okay,
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
and submit it tomorrow. Anya Chaudhary. Synopsis and list of date. Is there Anya?
Yes, sir.
Where's synopsis?
Sir, I'll add it again and send it.
List of dates?
Yes, sir, I'll add the whole thing together and send it to you again.
So here petitioner, then petitioner parent or guardian name for and resident address. These will be added. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Credentials of petitioner. Where is that?
Sir, I think I sent you the unedited draft. I'll resend the whole thing again.
Okay. And then NPR, NRIC. Remember one thing that I have only talked about CAA, not the NCR or NPR. So in case any of you try to add about NPR or NCR, please exclude. Okay, fine. Next is Jazz William. Yes, is there Jazz Williams?
Yes, sir.
Uh, did you attend all classes?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Synopsis and list of dates. First of all, you have to, as I asked everyone to provide PDF file, so you had to provide me PDF file containing list of dates too, along with the synopsis. And I did not ask anyone to add introduction heading. And remember one thing, this PIL demanding situations the constitutional validity of some provisions of the CA and a few executive notifications. These could be a part of synopsis. These could be a part of the initial heading, most respectfully heading, but not the initial page of the petition or anything like even synopsis, because you had to start with this petitioner.
Okay, sir. So I have to put the petitioner's details first.
Yes, first
Okay, sir.
under synopsis, petitioner details,
Okay, sir. I'll rearrange and send it again.
and also provide in good structure. These are bold itself and even not justified alignment.
Okay, sir.
And then you have given so much gap, and there is no such heading introduction at all. specifically the PIL challenges and objectives. There is no such objective as well, and points of contention. Even these are not. I mean the headings doesn't match whatever I have taught. So please carefully watch those videos. Okay. Please reprovide me and please go through video how other students are submitting their assignments. Okay, Jess,
Yes, sir.
please check it again. So, Samiksha,
Yes, sir.
Samiksha, synopsis and list of dates.
Yes, sir. I'll send a new document with synopsis, list of date, and the prayer.
Okay, it is best to check. Let me check once when you complete all. Uh, I mean, when you complete documents and submit it, I will check it again. So it is better to give you time to fix all those issues. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So everyone, those who have submitted till facts, I give you one more days and add prayers before that. Add declaration in compliance of Supreme Court rules. So add these two and prepare in good structure. Remember, do not miss synopsis, list of date, original petition containing the initial heading most respectfully and those paragraph as I told, and then credentials of petitioner, facts leading to the present case, grounds, declaration in compliance with Supreme Court rules, prayers. So every heading should be there. Provide me in PDF file. All documents, all the things should be in single file. Okay, and in arrangement order wise. Clear? 29th is the day when you have to finish this PIL. I will be conducting class tomorrow as well and declaring the time through the student leader. So those who think they are missing few points of few headings, they should add, and those who have submitted should also include prayers, whatever I have taught in this class. So it should be clear now. No further extension would be granted. Those who couldn't submit today, they are also being given one more opportunity. Yes, student leader, tell me those student. Please provide me the list of those who have submitted assignments today, and also those who have submitted your form. And please, it is better to compare with those two lists and then provide me final list. Okay.
Okay, sir. So of the whole repetition, right, or the PIL synopsis?
Uh, whole petition till now.
Okay.
Till now, today, I had asked everyone to submit. Those who those who said they will be submitting by tonight. So include their name separately. Those who have submitted, add their name separately, and those who have filled the form declare that they have submitted. So compare those lists with the submitted student name and then share with me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so thank you so much. Any of you have any question, you can ask. And those who have submitted article for publication, and those who have paid for the for the publication, and if their status is not visible by tonight, please contact me or contact a student leader. I will be rectifying those things. I did not check some of the student PIL yet, because I thought to check once week, because it's already 1 hour, and if we start checking again it will take one more hour, so it is better to check all documents tomorrow one by one. So I'll be giving you more time tomorrow, so that's why I have left most of the petition, those who have submitted. Okay, so thank you so much. All of you may leave except student leader.